What's up,
Guys?
Squad?
Today we're trying Pepsi, but mango flavored, and we saw it at the store, and so we're gonna do a review of it. So yeah.
Oh, is this splitting?
Wiggler home. It smells like cotton candy.
Hold on, it's right. Vincent says it smells like cotton candy. Does it smell like it? Too?
No.
Okay.
Okay, Soraya, you're first. What do you think?
It tastes like mango.
Okay, it tastes like Pepsi but with extra sugar.
What do you think? Is it good or bad?
It's bad.
It's alright. It just tastes like normal Pepsi. That's it.
So here's a closer look at the bottle of Pepsi Mango. It has 250 calories. There's the nutrition facts. I did see the sugar is quite high, but it's soda, so most sodas do have a lot of sugar. And there is actually mango juice concentrate in this bottle, so that's why it has that mango flavor. The mango flavor is not very strong, but it does have a slight mango taste to it and a really good scent.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Subscribe.